How does a DNA deletion affect genetics? Imagine a book where pages suddenly go missing. Now, think of your DNA as that book, filled with instructions that make you who you are. When a piece of DNA is lost, it can change everything. This is called a DNA deletion, a type of mutation where part of the genetic code disappears from a chromosome. These deletions can be tiny, just a single building block, or large enough to remove entire sections containing multiple genes. The impact depends on how much DNA is lost and which parts are affected. DNA carries the instructions for making proteins, which are the building blocks of your body. When a deletion removes part of a gene, the protein it codes for might not be made at all, or it could be altered. This can cause problems in how your body functions. For example, if a gene responsible for muscle strength is deleted, it might lead to muscle weakness or other health issues. If the deletion causes a frameshift mutation, it shifts the way the genetic code is read during protein production. This usually results in a completely different and non-functional protein. On the other hand, if the deletion is divisible by 3, it removes whole amino acids without messing up the entire reading frame. These are called in-frame deletions and may still allow the protein to work, but maybe not perfectly. The size of the deletion doesn't always tell us how serious it is. Small deletions in critical genes can cause severe health problems, while larger deletions in non-coding regions might not have much effect. Sometimes, deletions remove regulatory regions that control when and how genes are turned on. Losing these regions can disrupt normal gene activity and lead to health issues. Many genetic disorders are caused by deletions. For instance, Duchenne muscular dystrophy, cystic fibrosis, Duchenne syndrome, and some microdeletion syndromes like Angelman and Prader-Willi are all linked to deletions. These conditions happen because essential genes or their regulation are disturbed. Deletions can be inherited from a parent or happen spontaneously during the formation of eggs or sperm or early in development. If inherited, there is usually a 50% chance of passing the deletion to children. De novo deletions, which occur for the first time in an individual, tend to have a lower chance of recurring in families. In family genetic testing and hereditary health, finding deletions helps doctors understand the cause of certain conditions. Genetic tests can detect these missing pieces and predict how they might affect health. This information helps guide treatment options and family planning choices. To sum up, DNA deletions change your genetic blueprint by removing parts of your DNA. This can alter or eliminate gene function, leading to inherited or spontaneous health issues. The effects depend on how much DNA is lost, where it is, and which genes are involved. Knowing about deletions helps doctors and families make better decisions about health and future generations.